Hi Percussion! This week we are working on page 5, Mallets in your book, and we're going to be doing songs 10 through 14. We're going to start with song number 10, and for this you are going to need, obviously, your bells, your mallets, your book, and you're going to need a pencil. And you have two jobs right now. You are going to grab a pencil if you don't have one already, and then I would like you to write in the counts for song number 10. Just like you did in the lesson on the previous pages to where this video is, it shows you how to write in the counts. So you're going to pause right now, go grab your pencil, write in the counts for number 10, and then play again when you're done with that. Okay, so now you should have the counts written in for song number 10, and we're going to count it together before we play it. So here we go. We're going to say the counts together for song number 10. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you can tell, it's really repetitive. It's the same thing over and over again, which might seem like that's going to be easy, but it's actually tricky because you really need to pay attention to where you are in the song so that you don't play the same thing over too many times. So as you're going, watch and keep your eyes in each measure so that you can make sure to stop at the same time. Here we go. Now we're going to play, both mallets hovering over C, and I'm going to choose the right hand stickings. You can choose the left if you want, but when you're practicing, you should practice both versions. 1, 2, ready, play. Hopefully you ended at the same time with me. If not, that's okay. You can go back and practice it. Another good thing to be practicing right now is playing without looking at your bells, because you need to be watching the music, and right now your mallets aren't moving at all. So it's good to practice watching the music instead of watching your bells. And even more challenging is being able to go back and forth from your music to your bells. Now you guys are lucky your music is set up right here in front of you, so it makes it a little bit easier, but that's a really good thing to start practicing now. Okay, I am going to ask you to pause again. I would like you to pause, write in the counts for number 12, and this time say the counts to yourself before you play again. Okay, if you're back, you should have the counts written in for number 12, and you should have already said them to yourself. So now we're ready to play it together. I'm going to use the top stickings. You can choose which ones you want to use. 1, 2, number 12. Hopefully you ended at the same time as me. And I'm going to ask you to pause one last time. This is the most challenging song on the page. See if you can figure out why. You're going to pause and write in the counts for song number 14, then count it by yourself, then come back. Okay, so if you figured out that this song is the most challenging because it's not the same thing over and over again, it changes during the measures, then you're correct. Because this one is a little bit more challenging, we're going to clap it before we play it. So set your mallets down, get your hands free, and we're going to clap the rhythm for song number 14. 1, 2, clap and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clapping and counting is always a really good strategy when you have a tricky song. So if you're struggling with this song, feel free to pause again, clap and count through a few times until you've really got it down. Another good strategy is to say the stickings like this: right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, right. That's another really helpful strategy. So if you'd like to pause and try one of those strategies, you can. If not, let's give song number 14 a try. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So percussion, this week you're practicing songs 10 through 14. Number 12 is the one that you want to make a video of me for. And you can use all of your strategies. Write in the counts, say the counts, clap in counts, say the stickings, and then play. I'll see you guys for our lesson next week.